How to make a tool drop system in Roblox Studio. Go to Replicated Storage, add a remote event, name it Drop Tool Event. Add a screen GUI in Starter GUI. Name it Drop Hint GUI. Add a drop hint text. Start by trying out text label first. Design the drop hint text, for example, indicating which button to press to drop the tool. Add a local script to starter player scripts. Writing the script. This local script shows a drop hint when the player is holding a tool and lets them press V to drop it using a remote event. Get player, services, and hint GUI. Loops through everything inside the character. Checks if any object is a tool. Returns the tool if found. Returns nil if not. Show hint when tool is equipped. Hide hint when tool is removed. Detects when player presses a key. In this example, I used the V button. Checks if player pressed V. Checks if player is holding a tool. Fires remote event to server. Sends the tool to the server. Add a script to server script service. Writing the script. This server script safely drops a player's tool into the world when the client requests it, while preventing exploits. Get remote event. Listen for client request. Runs when a client fires fire server. Makes sure a tool was sent and make sure it is actually a tool object. Make sure player has a character and make sure the tool actually belongs to that player. Make sure tool has a handle. Removes tool from player. Places it into the world. Finds player's humanoid root part. Places tool in front of the player. Make sure tool can fall and make sure tool collides with ground. Go to the toolbox and select a tool to use as an example for testing. Click play in Roblox Studio and start testing. When the tool is in hand, drop hint text will appear. When the configured V button is pressed, the tool will drop onto the ground in front of the player. If the script works, you can come back and further customize your game. You're now equipped to start coding in Roblox Studio. Let your creativity run wild and see what you can build.